Here on another poorly edited, maybe never to appear episode of Jethro's Garage, we have our repair of the day. This is a 1963 International B414 diesel. These are fan blades, both of which came off and went through the radiator last year of this special Jeff Gordon edition. So today, I'm not even going to kid you that this is going to be a play-by-play, step-by-step. We're going to remove the hood, and we're going to try to remove the radiator. And we're going to try to replace it with a brand new radiator. So anyway, stay tuned, or maybe not. Well, got it apart. I don't see what's wrong with that fan. I think one blade is perfectly usable. And this radiator, I mean, it's just so clean. And I don't know why I felt I'd want to replace it, but you know, we're just, oh gosh, yeah. Wow, that did some damage. And the next complication, these little screws have nuts on the back side that hold the fan shroud on, but since they're all seized and not wanting to move, the easiest solution, take this here grinder, cut the heads off, and then we'll just go in and buy some fresh 1/4 bolts and put them on with some sort of grease so they can be taken out in the future. Hours later, here we are. Had to do a little creative bending because the replacement radiator was slightly narrower, so we had to bend a little bit on the shroud there. Had a little clearance issue right here. Had to straighten a bunch of this stuff out. I've left the generator belt off completely because the bearings are gone in here, and I don't think that thing ever worked anyway. The only purpose of the electrical system on this thing was to charge the starting battery. It has no lights on it. And for as little as it gets used around the farm here, we just put the charger on it when it's not in use. Speaking of which, here's the date of that battery. It is July 10th or 11th of 2022. I have no idea why that battery still works. I really don't. This thing sat for a year after the old radiator fan came apart and went through the radiator until I could come back here and put this thing back together. I put the charger on low charge for about 5 hours while we were doing this, and it cranked right up. There you have it, folks. Haven't put it under a load yet, but I'll make sure to put the 6-foot hog on it tomorrow and go hit some heavy brush, and we'll see how she does. We're out. All right, so here we are. We've been running her for a good hour. No leaks. Temperature's holding steady right there. Oil pressure's great. Doing what I need to do, getting all cleared out here around the cab and all this brush that I hadn't gotten to in a couple years, so we're looking good. So there you have it.